Hi, I'm Sorrel and today we're making apple scraps vinegar, turning your food waste into a vinegar. So we're using the peel and core from about 6 apples. You can use pears or you can use even melons or pineapple. So we're going to start with 500 millilitres of filtered water. If you don't have a water filter, just leave 500 mils of water overnight and the chlorine will disperse and it'll be good to go. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give that a little stir. We're also going to add a tablespoon of vinegar just to get things going, and it does have the mother in this, so that will kickstart everything. And then we're going to add the apple cores and the apple peel. I mean, this is a really great way to use up your waste if you've been making, say, an apple pie or a crumble or even apple sauce. But if you don't have, if you're only using, say, peeling 1 apple at a time, pop the peel and core in the freezer until you've got enough to make the vinegar. And we just want to make sure they're all really submerged in the water, because obviously they'll just go mouldy on the top. We're going to cover it with a piece of muslin. You can use a clean tea towel. This will keep out the fruit flies, and rather than covering it with a lid, it will stop it from exploding. You know, another important thing is obviously the natural yeasts and bacteria in the air aid the fermentation of the vinegar. And there we go. We are going to leave that to ferment for 4 weeks, but we're going to stir it twice a day. So a good way to remember it: every time you have a cup of tea, give it a little stir. Keep it in a dark place, so you know, in a cupboard is fine. So after 4 weeks, strain it, and you will smell that it will smell fruity and quite tangy, and as it goes on, it will smell sharp. It will smell like a vinegar that you recognise from the bottle in your cupboard. After 2 to 3 weeks after you've strained it, you'll have your finished vinegar. So this vinegar is fantastic to put into your salad dressings, use in vegan baking, and maybe even having a shot in the morning. It's good for your gut. Bottoms up. So there we have it, an apple scrap vinegar, a food waste busting recipe that you can have a go at home.